Hi everybody, my name is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and it's early morning, and today I'm gonna show you how to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette for fall limited edition collection from Chanel number 328 Crystal. Of course, it's already on me. I will show you step by step how I create this look. Also, I have another 3 video for all 4 eyeshadow palettes. Please check it out. And let's start. Let me show you how to use this gorgeous palette. And because it's early morning, I'm going to work. I don't wanna have heavy look, and I wanna look like makeup, no makeup, but it's fall already. I did make a little more darker lips what I usually do, and it is limited edition. It is fall lip color from Chanel. But again, let me come close to you. I will swatch this palette for you, and then I will show you step by step how to use. I want you to see this look. So easy, like the easiest palette from Chanel. Let me do a swatch for you. Let me show you these 2 colors first. And then, of course, I'm gonna use this lighter color and this darker color. I do like this quality. I do like how, again, eyeshadow layering on my eyelid. They look so smooth, and I like it is have pigments, but it's not too dark. Again, I really like this 3 color slider color. It's okay. Most important, what I like about this specific palette, and it's again crystal palette number 328. I like how these 3 colors go on my eyelid, and look how soft and natural they are on my eyelid. It's make me young, it's make me fresh. I love this like makeup, no makeup look. Again, I'm 45, but I feel like I'm 35 today. Again, guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comments below, because if you're gonna give me a like, YouTube will recommend to another people to see my video, and I really appreciate your like. And now let me show you how to use this eyeshadow palette and look young, fabulous, and sexy. It's early morning and I'm gonna get ready to work. I do have already on me skincare and foundation, concealer, and now we're gonna do eyes. And of course I'm gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Chanel. You can see it's very soft color. Well, let's do something not complicated and very easy, quick look. Eyeshadow primer first from MAC, and then we're gonna use this eyeshadow. I'm gonna use Chanel foundation brush and applying primer on entire my eyelid. You can see this eyeshadow palette don't have any matte colors. They are a little shimmer. I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy eye brightener, it's eye brightener. It's matte color. I'm gonna apply underneath my brow just like this, and I'm gonna use brush, concealer brush. It's double-ended brush from Chanel, and I'm gonna just little bit soft this and blend. It's gonna give me this beautiful clean look. And I'm gonna show you this eye brightener on my hand. Look at how beautiful. It's like nude pinky undertone. It's the best in a market eye brightener, at least at Nordstrom to me. I have big blending brush, and I'm gonna use this color first. I'm gonna apply on my lower eyelid, and I'm gonna push this up this color. One more time, I'm just again from corner to corner. I applying almost an entire my eyelid, but not, I leaving a little bit space between my brow. Now I have a same brush, but I clean a little bit, and I'm gonna use a slightly lighter color, and I'm gonna apply right here on the center. Just gonna give me a little bit like a highlighter on my eye. Again, it just on center, and I slightly little bit build more intensity. I have only two colors, and it looks so elegant, classy, makeup, no makeup. What do you think, guys? I love this look. I look so young. Now, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I curl my lashes, and I'm gonna use brown eyeliner from Chanel color 20 Espresso, and I'm gonna shave a little bit my pencil. I want like a skinny sharp end. And now I'm gonna apply this eyeliner very close to my lashes, step by step, like little steps. Same eyeliner I'm gonna apply underneath between my lashes. And just look at one my eye and another. It's a huge difference. And I do have a clean Q-tip. I don't want on my waterline brown eyeliner, because sometimes when you apply between your lashes, sometimes products go on your waterline and then you have mark underneath. I always use my Q-tip and a little bit go like where is my waterline on top, and removing extra brown eyeliner if I have. I like this brown eyeliner. It's not too intense. It's a very soft brown color, and I'm gonna use a little bit underneath. Now I have a small tiny brush, and I'm gonna just slightly little bit soak this brown eyeliner. And then I'm gonna use this darker color, darker brown, and I'm gonna slightly apply again underneath, and then I'm gonna blend. Then same eyeliner, same eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply on top of my eyeliner. Which one is on top? Now I have little bit brown eyeshadow right here. I feel in my bone, and I'm just slightly go from this end to this end. Again, I feel in my bone. It's right here. It's not a building crease, just very softly. You barely see this dark color right here. Now I have a big blending brush, clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna slightly everything blend. And look at one my eye and another. Look at how bigger this eye looking, how lifted this eye looking, and it's just so natural, so soft. I like this classy, elegant look. Now I do have my beauty blender with little bit foundation or concealer. It's in here, and I'm just gonna slightly little bit clean underneath. And now let me do my another eye. Look at how soft, how natural this eye makeup. I like this. This is what it's beauty of makeup. It's not where it's like everybody see from mileage your makeup. It's like makeup, no makeup. All what we do just improving to look little bit better, to look little bit young, to look little bit sexy. Okay, I have small tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this light color in this palette. I'm gonna apply right here in the corner. It's gonna give me this little bit extra pop. To apply a lot, no, just very little. Same color I'm gonna apply underneath. But if before we'll put like, and I want everybody to see, no, I barely touching my skin. I just very gentle, very little amount applying just right here on this eye area close to my brows. You barely see, but when like I at work at Nordstrom, when I work and we have so many different light will hit this eyeshadow and will look so beautiful. Now I'm gonna apply nude eyeliner on my waterline, and then we're gonna finish this eye look with Chanel primer, Chanel mascara, and make sure your lashes like looking very separate, not clumpy. And for my favorite mascara from Chanel, it's this one, Immutable Intense. It's so beautiful. This mascara, curling, separate, volume, lean, does everything. I apply primer only on one eye, and then I'm gonna use right away mascara, and primer will give me extra volume. And again, I'm using Immutable Intense mascara. It's your curling, volume and separating mascara, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit underneath. But look at this mascara. Look at how my eyes pop right away. Oh, I love it. My eyes, it's done. Looks so beautiful. I love this natural look, but a little bit pale. Now I'm gonna use Hourglass palette, ambient, and I love this palette. We have here powder, we have highlighter, here we have bronze. Sometimes I am mixing all these three colors together, but I just want a little bit more warm look, little bit glow. It's gonna be like shimmer. This is, it truly will give me this beautiful glow. And my lips a little bit dry. I love Pillow Talk from Pillow Balm from Too Faced, and this is color Manga. I'm gonna just apply a little bit of my lipstick to make my lips a little bit more full, a little bit more hydrated. I have a big Chanel powder brush, and I'm gonna use this darker color, and I'm gonna like apply like my bronze, little bit pushing up close to my hairline, then close to hairline right here and underneath. And I'll need to reapply couple more times to build a color. 1, 2, 3, and you can see it's giving me a little bit color, but not it's heavy. It's like makeup, no makeup look. Again, all what I wanna look young, like I will come to work and everybody say, oh my god, you look so beautiful together, you don't even have makeup. I'm like, yeah, I don't. Just kidding. Okay, now I'm gonna use another brush from Chanel. It's a small powder brush, and we have two lighter color here, and I actually can mix these two color together, and I'm gonna just apply right here on top of my cheekbone. Again, this is gonna give me a glow, It's not like a shimmer. I love this palette. Highly recommend everyone. And now I'm gonna use brand new blush from Givenchy. I just got this number 4 Organza Sienna. Let's see if I like or not. I'm gonna put on actually on my hand very little, and I'm gonna use same this highlighting blush, which one I just used. Okay, right here. And when I apply this blush, I actually apply a little bit right here and then I go up. Now I have just paper towel and I'm gonna absorb my lip balm. My lips already hydrated, and now I'm gonna use lip liner from Chanel number 162 nude brown. I'm gonna apply on my lips, and then I'm gonna use a new lipstick for fall number 152 sweetness. Wow, it's the first time I'm using this lip color and I really like it. I finished my lip look. I really love this color. Again, it's a fall lip color. I have video with all fall collection. I hope you see this video. If not, check it out. But it's a perfect lip color for me. It's not too light, it's not too dark. I really like. Again, this is very easy, very quick look. I hope you like this look, and if you like, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream.